Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter swirl brownies. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then make one recipe of the world's best brownies. I'll link to that recipe video in the description box. Once you've made the brownies in a small bowl, add in the peanut butter, melted butter, and sugar, and mix them together until they're combined. Then grease an 8-inch square baking pan. Pour in about 3/4 of the brownie batter. Spread it out to the edges. Pour on the peanut butter mixture. And spread it out as well. Then add dollops of the remaining brownie batter to the top. Using a knife, level the top. And then swirl them together. Then bake them in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool. And that's how to make peanut butter swirl brownies. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.